Toyota Voxy 2025 continues to build on its reputation as a stylish, versatile, and family-oriented minivan that blends comfort, practicality, and modern innovation. Designed with a sleek and sophisticated exterior, the new model stands out with its bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and streamlined body shape that enhances aerodynamics. The Voxy has always been popular in markets that value spacious interiors and functional designs, and the 2025 version elevates this with a more premium feel and advanced features that cater to the needs of modern families. Inside, the Toyota Voxy 2025 offers a roomy cabin with 3 rows of seats, providing ample space for 7 or 8 passengers depending on the configuration. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials that create a refined and inviting atmosphere. Soft touch surfaces, ergonomic seating, and generous legroom in all rows ensure that every passenger enjoys a comfortable ride. The flat floor design makes movement between the rows effortless, and the sliding doors offer easy access, especially in tight urban spaces. With its versatile seating arrangement, the Voxy can quickly transform to accommodate passengers, luggage, or a mix of both, making it a perfect choice for families with active lifestyles. Technology takes center stage in the 2025 Toyota Voxy, ensuring both driver and passengers stay connected and entertained. The modern infotainment system features a large touchscreen with intuitive controls, supporting smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and advanced sound systems enhance convenience and enjoyment on every journey. The Voxy also incorporates a digital driver's display that provides essential information in a clear and customizable format, reducing distractions and improving overall driving focus. Safety remains a top priority for Toyota, and the Voxy 2025 is no exception. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, the vehicle includes advanced driver assist technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. These systems work together to reduce risks and enhance confidence for the driver. Additional features like a 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert further ensure safety during parking and maneuvering. Families can travel with peace of mind knowing that the Voxy is designed to protect everyone on board. Under the hood, the Toyota Voxy 2025 offers efficient and reliable powertrains. Buyers can expect both traditional gasoline engines and hybrid options, delivering a balance of performance and fuel economy. The hybrid variant, in particular, appeals to environmentally conscious drivers, combining smooth acceleration with lower emissions and impressive mileage. The finely tuned suspension system provides a stable and comfortable ride, whether navigating city streets or embarking on long highway journeys. Practicality is at the heart of the Toyota Voxy, and the 2025 model reinforces this with ample storage spaces, cup holders, and compartments strategically placed throughout the cabin. The rear cargo area is spacious and can be expanded further by folding the rear seats, making it easy to carry larger items. Features like automatic climate control, ambient lighting, and power-operated sliding doors add to the convenience and overall sense of luxury. The Toyota Voxy 2025 stands as a modern family vehicle that successfully combines style, practicality, safety, and technology. It is designed to make daily commutes, family outings, and long trips more enjoyable, proving once again why it continues to be a strong contender in the minivan segment. With its blend of comfort, innovation, and Toyota's trusted reliability, the Voxy 2025 is more than just a vehicle, it is a dependable partner for every journey.